In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to Trello cards. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, collaborating with your team, and keeping everything on track. Whether you're managing a small project or a large team, knowing how to add members to specific cards ensures that everyone knows their responsibilities and stays aligned. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process, making it simple and easy for you to follow. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Trello's website by typing www.trello.com into the address bar. Once you're there, look to the top right corner and click on the Login button. You'll then need to sign in using your email address and password. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can choose a single sign-on option like Google or Microsoft if those accounts are connected to your Trello. Before entering your credentials, make sure that you are on the official Trello website for your security. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard. Now, locate the board that contains the card you want to update. If you have a lot of boards and need help finding the right one, use the search bar at the top of the page to save time. Once you've found it, click on the board to open it. Inside the board, browse for the specific card you want to work on. When you locate it, click to open the card's details. You'll notice a panel on the right-hand side of the card. This is where you'll find options like labels, checklists, and more. From this panel, click on Members, or if you see a plus sign or an Add button, click that to expand the member options. A member search bar will appear, letting you find someone by name or by their email address. Type in their name or email, and when their profile appears, click on it to add them to the card. You'll know it worked because their avatar will now appear on the card, showing that they've been successfully added. If you need to add more people, simply repeat the same process for each additional member. And if you need to remove someone from the card, just click on their avatar again, and they'll be removed. Now, if you can't find someone in the search results, they might not be a member of the board yet. In this case, you'll need to invite them to the board first. If you don't have the necessary permissions to do this, you may need to ask the board admin to invite them for you. Once the members are added, it's a good idea to notify them. Trello automatically sends notifications, but a quick personal message can help ensure they know they've been assigned to the card. To make things even clearer, consider adding a due date or a description to the card. This way, everyone understands the task ownership and any deadlines that need to be met. And that's it. Adding members to Trello cards is a straightforward process once you know the steps. It's a great way to keep your team organized and on the same page. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.